Hello and welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to understand how to create Facebook page post and LinkedIn company text posts for WooCommerce Product Update. So here my objective is, so every time a product is updated in WooCommerce Store, then automatically a company text post should be created in LinkedIn and also a page post should be created in Facebook informing the same. Now to do this, we'll have to integrate the three applications and the same thing can be done using Pabbly Connect. So my trigger here will be WooCommerce, then my action applications will be LinkedIn and Facebook. Now to understand how you can integrate and automate this entire process yourself without the need of any coding skills, let's begin. So this here is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect software and you can reach here by clicking on the link which is given in the video description. If you are an existing user, you will have to sign in, and let's say that you are a new user. In that case, you will have to sign up. It is not going to take more than 2 minutes. And yes, at the time of account creation, you will get 100 free tasks to test all these automations. Now, once you reach the dashboard, on the right hand side, there's a tab Create Workflow. Click on this. This dialog box has appeared and here you have to name your workflow. So you can give any random name. I'm going to name it as Create Facebook Page Post and LinkedIn Company Text Post for Product Update in WooCommerce. Now here I'm going to click on Create. So as we do that, here we have reached another window which has got two extremely important events. One here is trigger, another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically those two principles or concepts on which this entire automation works. Trigger is when this happens, action says do this. Basically, action here is the automated response of your trigger application. Let's understand this with the help of an example. So every time you swipe your card and the payment is made, then you receive a response on SMS about the amount debited. Now how does that happen? With the help of automation. And in such a case, your trigger will be the payment gateway and your action application can be any application with the help of which you can send this SMS. Now let's come to our use case. So here my trigger application will be WooCommerce. Let's click on this. Next is the trigger event. This is the event that is going to make this workflow run. And here it will be product updated. Let's click on this. Now here you can see we have received this webhook URL. Now this URL is a source of communication between the two applications. Basically, it acts as a bridge for connecting Pabbly Connect and WooCommerce. Now I'm going to copy this URL that we have just received and here we have to follow the following steps. Let me show you exactly what you have to do. So this here is my WooCommerce. Now within WooCommerce we have got settings. Let's go to settings. Now within settings we have got advanced. Click on this and here we have received webhooks. Let's click on this. Now here I'm going to click on add webhook. Now let's fill in the details. Let's say the name is test integration 123. Then we have the status. I'm going to change it to active. The topic is product updated. Then we have the delivery URL. So what we had just copied, I have pasted the same here. The API version has to be latest. Now I'm going to click on save webhook. And here we can see that the webhook has been updated successfully. Now once this is done, I'm going to click on recapture webhook response. And as we do that, here we can see it is waiting for webhook response. So once we are done with setting up the webhook, here we have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded here in the webhook response. So basically now what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to update a product so that we can see if the response is getting received here. So let's go back to WooCommerce. So here we can see we have got a lot of products here. Let's say that I'm going to work on PHP course for beginners and I want to update this product. So here first of all, I am going to go down. And here we have the regular price. Let's change this to 7,999. And then we have the sale price. So I'm going to change this to 4,999. Next, I'm going to go to inventory. And here I'm going to change the SKU to 100. And then here let's go down. Now here we can see we have the category. So I'm going to change this to digital and remove the uncategorized category. Okay, and here we have product short description. So I'm going to write online course. So I've made a few changes. Now I'm going to go up and click on update. So we can see that our product has been updated. Now I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect to see if we have received the response here. Now it may take a few seconds. So please wait patiently to receive the response. And here we can see we have captured the webhook response. Let's check what we have received. So here we have received the text status, the class, stock status. Then as I take you down, here we have the slug. So we can see that the short description has occurred, online course. Now let's go down. Here we have the sale price, and then here we have the regular price. This is all updated. Here we have the permalink. This here is the name of the product. So here we can see we have received all the details. Now what is my objective? I want to update people about this product update on LinkedIn and Facebook. So here I'm going to choose my action application as LinkedIn. Let's click on this. And the action event here will be to create company text post. Let's click on this. So basically this information is going to be updated on the company page. Now here I'm going to click on connect. So Pabbly Connect wants to connect with LinkedIn account. I have already logged into my LinkedIn account. Here I have selected add new connection because we are setting up this connection for the first time. Let's click on connect with LinkedIn. So here I'm going to confirm my credentials. And as we do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that LinkedIn and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Let's go down, and here we have to fill in this information. So let me take you to my LinkedIn page, and you can see that the organization name is PalbsCon. So it has already been selected by the system. Now here we have to enter the content. Product update alert. Team the product. Now I want the name of the product here, and we had received the name in the first step. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go here to the previous step, and as I scroll down, so here we can see we have received the name of the product. Now this method with which I have added the information here is known as mapping, and this is important so that every time your workflow runs, it can take the new data into consideration. Let's say that I had written the name of this product manually. Then even when this workflow was running in real time and there was some other product which was updated, it wouldn't have taken that data. Instead, it would have always taken the name of this product only. Why? Because we had written this manually, that had made it static. So if there's an information which is supposed to be changed, we are supposed to map that information. So here we have written the product has been updated. Please check the same. Regards. Now here I have just written a test message. You can of course customize it as per your requirement. Next is the article preview URL. So as I click on this, again go to previous step, and as I scroll down, so here you can see we have received this permalink. So I'm going to take this, and here we have added the URL. Then we need the title. So I can just write product update alert. Next we have the description. So here we have to enter the description of the image. So we also have received the URL for the image. So let me scroll down, and here you can see we have the image's URL. So let's add it here. And now the visibility, so you can change it to only your connections or public. I am changing it to public, and now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received a response according to which this particular post must be shared on the page. Let's go and check the same. So this here is my LinkedIn page. First of all, I'm going to refresh this. And as I scroll down, so you can see product update alert, and here we have received the message. So this means that our first step of integration is a success. Now what do I want? I want the same post to be shared also on Facebook. So here I'm going to add another action step. And this time I'm going to select Facebook pages. Let's click on this, and the action event here will be to create a page post. So let's click on connect. And as we do that, here Pabbly Connect wants to connect with Facebook pages account. I already have logged into my Facebook account. Now since we are setting up this connection for the first time, I have selected add new connection, connect with Facebook pages. So here it is asking me if I want to continue as my existing account. So I have selected yes. And as I do that, here we can see that the authorization has been successful, which means that Facebook pages and Pabbly Connect are now connected. Once this connection is set, now we want to fill in this information to the page, message, and the link URL. So first of all, I'm going to take you to my Facebook account. Let's go to pages. And here you can see we have created a lot of pages. Let's say that I want to post this on Pabbly Tech. So I'm going to take you back to Pabbly Connect. Here we have selected Pabbly Tech. Now if you wish to select something else, you just had to click here and you would get the names of all the pages and then you can select one of them. Next is the message. So here again I have written the same message, product update alert, team, the product. Here we have mapped the name of the product has been updated. Please check the same regards. Now let's enter the link here. So I'm going to go down. Let's go and get the permalink. So here we have the permalink. Now I'm going to click on save and send test request. And as we do that, here we have received the response. Let's go to Facebook. Let's go to this particular page. Let's quickly refresh this once. And as I take you down, here we can see that our message has been posted. So this means that our integration is a complete success. Now let's check the same in real time. So I'm going to go back to WooCommerce. Let's go to products once again. And let's say that this time I want to change the advanced PHP product. So I'm going to click on this. And now let's say the name I'm going to change to advanced PHP course. Okay, and here I'm going to go down and I'm going to change the value to 1000 rupees. And then the sale price, let it be 900. And here I'm also going to add the category to subscription. Let's click on update. So here we can see that the product has been updated. Now once this is updated, automatically a post should be created on my LinkedIn company account as well as my Facebook page. So first of all, I'm going to take you to LinkedIn. And here I'm going to quickly refresh this page. And here we can see we have received another post. Product update alert, team, the product advanced PHP course has been updated. So we can see that the name of the course has been changed. Please check the same. And here we have received the URL as well. Let's go and check our Facebook page. And first of all, I'm going to refresh this. And once we have refreshed this, I'm going to go down and we can see that yes, we have received the post. So this means our integration is a complete success. Taking you back to Pabbly Connect, let's quickly understand what we have done. So here our trigger was WooCommerce, the event was product updated. Then our action applications were LinkedIn, where first we had to create company text post, and then it was Facebook pages where we had to create a page post. I hope this is absolutely clear to you. If in case you have any doubt, you can refer to the workflow which is given in the video description. You can also clone the same and start to process immediately. Apart from this, if you have any specific integration to work on, you can always write to us.
Not only this, but you can integrate multiple applications using Pabbly Connect software. To ask any of your query, you have to write at forum.pabbly.com. You can also visit our website, which is www.pabbly.com/connect. To get all the details about the latest updates, the integrations and applications, you can visit our Facebook group. If in case you have found this video helpful, then do not forget to share this with your friends and colleagues so that they can also get into automation and make their life easy. I'm going to see you very soon with different integrations and automations. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care of yourself.